The ball is now rolling on the 2026 national budget as the Senate clears the bill on second reading, with lawmakers tightening the purse strings and making adjustments before the final draft is set in stone. As we hear from our Luisa Erispe.
The Senate approved on second reading the proposed 2026 General Appropriations Bill or national budget with the amount of 6.793 trillion pesos.
Mr. President, with that, I move to close the period of amendments. I so move.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, with that, I move to approve on second reading House Bill number 4058 under Committee Report number 18.
Is there any objection?
Yeah, you just vote.
Hearing none, the motion is approved. House Bill number 4058 is approved on second reading.
Some of the highlight amendments to the budget is the 52.13 billion return of funds to the reduced 5% budget for the construction materials. They reducted 53 billion pesos of the fund from the Foreign Assistance Fund. The budget for the rehabilitation of areas that were damaged by calamities also increased under the NDRRMC and the Local Government Assistance Fund. But right after the second hearing was approved, Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano said his vote for the approval of the budget is no. He claimed he is not content with the budget and he believes it could be improved, especially that there are still unprogrammed funds on the budget.
Mr. President, I vote no as of today for the reasons I mentioned a while ago. This is such a great opportunity for a game-changer budget. It doesn't really promote rural development. The unprogrammed funds are still there. It's a good budget. Don't get me wrong, Mr. President. I'm just saying I think we can come up with something that really changes the game for the Filipino people.
Senator Joel Villanueva also voted no. Though he did not explain his vote, he supported the decision of the minority leader. But Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, chair of the Committee on Finance, said he is confident that the budget they have approved on second reading is free of red flags. However, not all amendments of senators can be accommodated due to budget constraints.
May mga letters na pinapadala yung mga senators natin. So pinag-aaralan namin. Tapos yung mga, marami actually galing nung nag-present sila dito. So marami doon mga present nila dito na hindi kasama sa letters nila before. So doon kami nagtagal.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.